Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. Do you find lately that you are just overrun with charging cables, headphone cables, adapters, all that kind of stuff? Then you have to check out this pouch from Luxtude. Originally, I had everything in a box, but it was always tangled and nothing was labeled, and so you can imagine how frustrating it would get. Now, I have this compact cable organizer that has truly brought joy to my life. They say it's the little things, right? But seriously, I open up this little pouch and I feel so happy. Everything is right there. It's so accessible. And how vibrant is that green color, right? Can you believe I got 17 different items in this bag? And it's only a bit bigger than my hand. This mesh pocket is great because it can hold different shaped objects, or maybe papers like manuals or instructions. I like how everything is so secure but easy enough to remove or insert back into its spot. It would also be really great for travel because it hardly takes up any space. So if you're always looking for organizational tools that are just going to simplify your life, I can't say enough good things about this organizer pouch from Luxtude, and that's my point of view.